So we're going to change the oil on a 2018 Subaru WRX. Oh, you push that up and then pull it to the side. Ah. Okay, that's cool. No tools. Well, while we let that drain, we're going to go ahead and loosen this oil filter up. Still got a little drip going. Let's go ahead and swap this oil filter out. Alright. Alright, this is nasty. Let's take a dab of this new oil and rub it around the seam, around the seal. When it bottoms out, right there, that's where it bottoms out. Then you spin it a half a turn. So the 6 should be on the other side. Let's get this dirty oil out from under here.
Try not to spill it. Okay.
And flip this drain plug back off. Push it up and back. That'll shut it off. Now we're back with the funnel. Okay, so we're going to pour all 5 quarts into the engine. We got 5 quarts in, and it's supposed to call for another half a quart, but we're going to go ahead and put a quarter of this in, back it off, crank up the engine, let it warm up, sit for a minute, and we're going to recheck it. Now, dip that dipper. Looks like we're a little low, but better to be low than too much. And we'll see what it looks like. Dunk it down. Check it out. She's right on the moolah.